largest cuckoo clock. Probably gonna go up pretty soon. That's pretty cool. Walk around and check this place out. The largest cuckoo clock. Okay, this is Sugarcreek, aka Little Switzerland. Look at this funny looking buildings. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And this clock should be going off pretty soon. I don't know. We just probably missed it. I don't know if it does it every half hour or what. I think there's a train thing down here. It takes you a few miles in the backwoods or something, but it's been a long time since I've been down here. Little Switzerland. Oh, I like some of these buildings are pretty cool. Oh, we should get some of that, maybe they got like an ice cream place down here or something. Oh wow. Look at that. It's got a painting. It's pretty cool. Where? They used to have a train ride down here, I believe. I'm gonna turn around and go back. A covered sidewalk? What? That's really cool. A covered sidewalk. Wow. Oh, there's some Amish action happening right here. Amish people there. Yeah. World's largest cuckoo clock. Should be going off pretty soon. Oh, here it goes. Oh, so it makes a bell sound at every quarter hour. So in 15 minutes, we're going to see some action. This is cool. What we got here? It's a funny looking car. Let's see. Econoline. The heck kind of car is this? Look.
It's in there.
Well, this is a Ford with Bernie Sanders in it. What? The heck?
There's the horn then.
He's in there. A wide view action there. Oh wow, look, check it out. You guys never see these. You're too young to remember this. It's a phone booth. That's what we had. We didn't have cell phones back in the day. We had to go to these things. It might. A couple of bees are flying around here. I don't know if there's a nest. Ooh, I don't like that. Yeah, there's a nest right there. Can't go in there. It's definitely something they're attracted to. But that's what that is. It's a phone booth. That's what Superman would go and change. Clark Kent would go in and Superman came out. Cuckoo Nest gift shop, but it's closed. But yeah, that's how it used to be.
They got other.
And for social media, you had to buy newspapers out of these boxes like this. Put a coin in there and oh, it's
They
open.
have other ones, Dad. Other people. Oh, it's good.
What's that guy?
I don't know if it's on that one.
Yeah. That's cool. Too bad you couldn't go in there. I wouldn't trust it. There's bees. There's a beehive. Before they had cell phones, we had to go in these boxes and get on a phone. And not all, and he didn't always have a box like that around either. He didn't have a booth. Some were just on poles. But the booth was nice if it was raining. Yeah. Here, standing around that man. This car is cool. Yeah, let me get a picture of you guys around the man there. Cheese. Cheese? Come on, look at me. You didn't make it fall over. Here, and then get by this car. Here, stand by this car. I've never seen a car like that before. It's definitely different. Cheese. Wow. Let's see what it looks like inside. I don't know if you're allowed to go in
I
it.
think it's unlocked. I mean, I think it's locked.
Wow, look at that. Look at that old steering wheel in there. That's pretty cool. Cuckoo
It
nest.
still works.
Be careful, I think there's a beehive over there. Look at this old Coca-Cola machine. Oh, and this used to be how the gas things were. Yeah.
Where's the beehive? There's a bunch of bees over here.
That's why he thinks
This is cool. That's nice. That's where you used to get their pop. It's like a little thing in there. Let's see what we got here. That's cool. You're training there. The gospel shop. I like that. Statues of Liberty. Benjamin Franklin in there. Some cool mugs. Too bad this is closed out. I'd like to get some ice cream here. That'd be nice. Bakery. The cuckoo clock's gonna go off pretty soon. It's cool architectures. That's cool. What do you think of that thing?
Funny.
The world's largest cuckoo clock. They got smiles on their face, so they must have enjoyed it. Yeah. That was cool. One, two, three. Take a cheese next to the biggest cuckoo clock in the world. Okie doke. Oops. Okay.
Just fake the grass.
Coming from Sugarcreek, Ohio, aka Little Switzerland, at the world's largest cuckoo clock. I'll take a seat behind me. Take that. Why are you going in the lady's garden over there?
Hey.
Runs every half hour.